Good morning, children. How are you? All are you fine? Very good. And I am very happy to see all of you and your beautiful smile. Yes. Very good. Okay. So, are you ready for today's class? Are you ready? Okay, now show me your smile, sweet smile. Very good. Okay, now before starting our class, we will do some warm up. Okay, now stretch your arms, stand up all of you, and rub your hands, rub your cheeks. Yes, very good. Okay, now be ready. We are going to start our class. Very good. Okay, now can you tell me, children, what we are learning? We are learning sounds. Yes, phonics. Very good. Yes, so children, can you tell me yesterday what we have learned? We have learned I sound. Very good. We have learned I sound. And this is I sound. I for ink pot. Yes. So now children, today we will learn a new sound. And it comes after I sound. Here you can see this is J sound. Which sound is this, children? Say with me. J. This is J sound. Standing line and a small curve and a small dot here. This is J sound. Which sound is this, children? J sound. Yes. Now you can see here are some pictures of J sound. Take a look. This is J for jelly. I know all of you likes to eat jelly. Yes, I know this. So this is J for jelly. J, jelly. And J for joker. He makes you laugh. Joker को देख के सब हंसते हैं ना सर्कस में. So this is J for joker. Yes. And J for jam. Everyone likes to eat jam with roti and paratha. Yes? Okay, so this is J for jam. J, jam. Okay, and this is J for jeans. All of you wear? This is J for jeans. Yes? J, jeans. And I know everyone knows this. This is J for jeep. J, jeep. Yes, wonderful. And this is J for jug. J, jug. J for jelly. J for jam. J for joker. J for jug. J for jeep. And J for jeans. Now children, take out your alphabet small letters book. And here you can see j sound. This is j sound, and here are some pictures. J for jeep, j for jet also. J jet, j jam, j jeans, j jug. And when you will turn the page, here you can see some more pictures of j sound. This is j for joker, j for jewelry, जो ममा आपके हैंड्स में, नेक में एंड ईयर्स में ममा कुछ पहनती है ना. सो दिस इज j for jewelry, j for jewelry. And j for jungle, j for jungle, where all the wild animals live. Yes, so j for jungle also. Okay, so children, these are the vocabularies, these are the pictures of which sound? J sound. J, jelly. Okay, now we will sing a song of j sound. Okay. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it with jam? Yes? One more time, children. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Yes? So, children, you have to learn this song and all the vocabulary words of j sound. Okay, now this is the time for do some activity of j sound. Okay. Okay, children, now let's start our activity. So today we will learn how to make j sound. So here I am having some Play-Doh, and first of all, we will make j sound with Play-Doh. Take some Play-Doh and you have to roll with your hands like this. And roll and make a standing line this. Keep it here like this. Now take some more Play-Doh and again roll with your hands and roll and now make a curve like this. Yes? Now children, you have to take some more Play-Doh, and what you have to do, children? Roll it again, make a ball and press it with your hand and keep it here. Yes, so this is j sound. Okay, now children, we will make j sound with daal. Take some daal and make a standing line like this. Take any color daal, children, and now make a curve like this. And make a small dot with daal on it. So here you can see, children, how can we make j sound with daal and play-doh. So you have to watch the video and you have to learn how to make j sound with play-doh and daal. Make a standing line and a small curve here and a dot on it. So this is j sound, and j for jelly, j for jam, j for joker, j for jeep, j for jungle, j for jeans, and j for jewelry. Yes, children. Okay, so keep practicing, children, and I will see who can learn very, very fast. Okay, so children, make your videos and send me very fast. So children, till then, children, take care, keep learning, and we will meet again with j sound. Till then, children, take care. Bye-bye.